I'm Jordan Schindler, CEO of Texdel, and we're all about simplifying consumer health and wellness. So we incorporate vitamins, supplements, medications into textiles. We started with a pillowcase, and now we're on to socks, sleeves, all sorts of different technology. I started this company in Seattle at the University of Washington, and quickly realized that we didn't understand the textile industry. We had a technology that was really cool, but didn't know how to actually make it. And so searched, frankly, the entire country to figure out what resources exist for commercializing new textile technologies. And we're fortunate enough to get connected to the Manufacturing Solutions Center. Meeting with Dan St. Louis and Tony Whitener, immediately saw that there was all these things we didn't know and didn't realize about textiles, and that those were the guys to connect you. They've helped us secure over $1 million in grant money. So this money has been used to help develop and commercialize our technology, and wouldn't have been possible without Manufacturing Solutions Center and the support from the community here. The ability to make product on one hallway, walk it down and get it knitted, and then test it down the third hallway is something we couldn't find anywhere else. And so it's this expertise and experience that only really exists in Catawba County and nowhere else that we've seen. So I think some of the benefits for being in this area are, one, built-in customers. So day in and day out, sitting in my office, Tony and Dan will bring in, hey, here's so-and-so from Under Armour or Nike. Don't even have to leave the office to generate sales, which is amazing. So there's this whole ecosystem for testing, for textile technologies, and for manufacturing that you really only get here and don't get elsewhere. And so that's what's allowed us, and frankly, sped up our time to market tenfold. Yeah, I think the goal is to develop something ultimately that is a win for our employees, for our investors, and something that helps promote the ecosystem.